Here's the situation. Your customers come and go, and you have absolutely no idea who they are. Some leave good reviews online, and some leave not so good reviews. In fact, there's a whole conversation going on about your business that you have absolutely no control over. But what if you could? What if someone could stand in between your customers and the online review sites, making sure the conversation is a good one? Introducing Repify. Not only does Repify keep a detailed record of who's reviewing you online, but you can send special deals and digital coupons to your reviewers right from your dashboard at any time. When Repify encounters an unhappy customer, it automatically responds to the negative review with a free gift, helping you save a customer rather than lose one. Not to mention round-the-clock reputation monitoring in case something slips through the cracks. With Repify, not only will the quality of online reviews improve, but they'll come in much faster, adding a viral nature to your business. When your reputation matters, Repify is there to automate the process of keeping yours up. Get started with Repify now and discover the power of a positive reputation. Repify. Reputation control.